once you have accessed your subgroup settings, you will be brought here to this screen where it says Subgroup Basics, and these are going to be your basic settings. Notice over on the left, we have some other options. We have Basics, Review, Reports, Settings, and Tutorials, so you may find some of the tutorials to be helpful. Under Basic Settings, this is where we can change or update the name of the subgroup and the description for it. The subgroup ID is part of the URL that you see here in the main navigation. So if you change this at some point and you have this linked out in other places, you have to understand that this will change the link. But it's okay to change if you need to. This is where you change whether your subgroup is public, private, or hidden. Just to remind you of what these are, hidden means that this subgroup is not visible by anybody unless you specifically invite people to it, then they can see it. Private means that it is visible to our Connect extension community, but they have to request to join your subgroup. And public means it is visible to our Connect extension community, and they can join it freely without you moderating whether or not they come in. It does not necessarily mean that the public can view it, but you can update your privacy settings to allow the public to see your content. These are the different features that you have enabled or disabled on your subgroup. So, in this instance, the blog is being used, but topics are not being used, and that's also the forum. Resources, which is the different types of media, that's where you can upload PDF files or images or videos. Surveys, that's self-explanatory, and so is the calendar. Chat rooms and chat events, that is exactly what you think of it. It's like a old school AOL chat room, and you can open up chat rooms for different things, and you can schedule chat events at your leisure. And then the home, and that's just like your main home screen, and your member directory to show who is part of your subgroup. And then lastly, this is where you can upload your logo or title image or header. So in this case, we have a simple header that's being used. It's just showing the title of this subgroup. We are using the logo here, and you have some options here about how to display that logo. So if you upload one, you'll want to choose Display Subgroup Logo if one is set. Just remember, whenever you're done, to click Update Settings.